Notes: 1. This video is based on the installation of the Z-axis linear rail on the Kobra 3MAX, one part, and some screws have been modified. 2. The Z-axis linear rail upgrade kit compatible with multicolor machines can be used on both multicolor and single-color machines. However, the single-color upgrade kit can only be used on single-color machines. Please make sure to select the correct version when purchasing. Differences in parts and installation for the upgrade kit. 1. The right side mounting bracket is different. 2. The screw kit, M3T nuts, M5*8, and M3*8 screws are the same. The M3*6 screws have been changed from socket head screws to low-profile flat head screws. In addition, M3*8 countersunk screws and M5*8 countersunk screws have been added. 3. In the linear rail installation video, from 422 to 424, countersunk screws are used. After completing the installation of the Z-axis linear rail, use M3*8 screws to fix the filament purge assembly onto the right side bracket. The installation is then complete.